Do you know what is the importance of having a business consultant in your business? How much and up to when you need a business consultant? Do you know that? Today we will discuss about the importance of having a business consultant in your business and how your business consultant is inevitable and useful to run your business through and become a successful entrepreneur. Most of us are not aware about spending some money on fixing a business consultant for our business when you are doing a startup, because we are very confident about our program. In this video we will discuss the importance of having a business consultant for your startup and how much he can support and help your business to be successful. First of all, as the first part of the startup, the business consultant will help you, support you in the preparation of a project report. Project report is a guide for our guide book for the entire business to happen. The project report says about everything about the planning of the business, and the importance of project report is that when you are building a house, you should have a plan of this house in the papers, and after having the approved plan in hand, we should go for the finalization of the project. If without the project plan in hand, it will be difficult to build the house little bit, then destruct it, rebuild it, like that it will be difficult for you to manage. So the relevance of having a project report in hand is like a guide in hand for the entire business. Most importantly, in the project report, the business consultant will help you in the market study, the possibility, the viability of the business, the predictions, the budgeting, and all the sectors of the validation and everything of the business. The most important help the business consultant gives to a startup business is the validation of the business, because all the entrepreneurs, they are new to the business and they will be very confident about their product or service, and they'll be validating it with they'll be giving their samples of the product to their friends or relatives and some close in the close circle. Those people, they will always appreciate your product, because the product is coming to them for free without paying any money. So they will not give any bad comments about the product. They'll say the product is good. But once you are asking them to pay the money and buy the product, there will be a problem. They will not buy, or they will not repeat the product, like that. So the validation of the business is very important. Where to try the business and where to validate the business consultant will guide you. Important service given by the business consultant for the business is that he will make all the predictions of the future performance, predictions, targets of the business, and he will guide you through the performance. So for example, he is giving a prediction for 5 years. Here we can divide the predictions into 1 year and further divide it into 1 month, and we will know what is the prediction for 1 month, what is the target we should achieve in 1 month. If we are not able to achieve that target in 1 month, we are not going to perform this performance, the predicted performance, in another 5 years. So naturally he will guide you periodically and will help you attain your goals, attain your target. Another important factor is that the business consultant is experienced with many different kinds of business available, and he will be alert about the potholes in any business. If you are finding any problem, he can easily predict what is the problem to come and where it will end up, where you will end up, and he can warn you, guide you to stop those actions, correct the actions, and go through in a perfect way. Another important factor for us is the guidance of the business consultant in getting our targets done. As we know, every business should have a proper sales model, proper marketing model, and proper revenue model. The business consultant will be very much aware about the sales and marketing and the revenue model for the business. Without having a proper revenue model, the business is not going to be successful, and the business consultant will assure you that the proper revenue model is practical and it is doable for your business. As mentioned earlier, the business consultant will be having a lot of contacts in the market, and he will guide you in marketing and help you in sales and networking. At the same time, the business consultant will always also help the entrepreneur in pivoting the business. When the business is having some troubles or we are finding some hurdles, he will make alternative plans, alternative revenue models, and help the entrepreneur to come out of the problem successfully and have another business model to pivot, look around for another opportunities inside the business without spending much on that, and saving the business from going into a big loss. Now, the most important service given by the business consultant is in the scaling up of the business. The business should grow according to the time, and the business consultant know how to bring more investments to the business and allow the business to grow to the next level. So for the business scaling up, the business consultants support you and help you to attain your goals and targets to go for the next level by adding up investments like angel investments, venture capital investments, and go from proprietary company to private limited company or to the public limited company and attain your goals, launch your company in the market. And all the guidances can be done by the business consultant who is experienced in the market. In any case, as we know, the success require proper guidance from experienced personalities, and a business consultant can support your business. I suggest that all the startup companies should have proper guides and guardians for their business, and I wish all business to be successful in the market in flying colors. Thank you.